Tired of the same old daily routine? Well, not anymore, because today we're diving into 25 mind-blowing Amazon gadgets that are designed to make your life smarter, easier, and way more fun. From clever kitchen tools to smart home essentials, these gadgets are the kind that make you say, "Where has this been all my life?" So grab your popcorn, and let's jump straight into the world of game-changing gadgets you wish you had sooner. Say goodbye to struggling with stubborn stains and slippery sinks. This non-slip washing laundry board brings back the old-school hand wash, but with a smart, modern twist. Its firm grip and anti-slip base make scrubbing effortless, while saving your favorite clothes from harsh machine washes. Perfect for delicate fabrics or quick cleanups. It's simple, durable, and oddly satisfying to use. Tired of messy corn prep? This clever corn peeler lets you strip kernels in seconds, clean, quick, and oddly satisfying. Just roll it along the cob, and watch the kernels fall effortlessly. Perfect for snacks, salads, or buttery corn bowls. No more knife slips. Say goodbye to squinting and frustration. This smart needle threader makes threading quick, easy, and effortless. Just press, insert, and done. Your needle is ready in seconds. Perfect for sewing lovers or quick clothing fixes. Why settle for ordinary brushing when you can clean smarter? This 3-sided Bristles toothbrush hugs your teeth from all angles, scrubbing front, back, and sides in one go. It's quick, efficient, and perfect for deep cleaning without extra effort. Your smile deserves this triple action upgrade. Struggling with stubborn jar lids? Not anymore. This manual jar opener gives you the perfect grip and twist power to open any jar effortlessly. Simple, sturdy, and a total game changer for your kitchen. Meet your travel buddy. This silicone collapsible cup folds flat to fit right in your pocket or bag. Made for coffee lovers and adventurers alike. It's reusable, heat-resistant, and super handy wherever you go. Say goodbye to bulky mugs. Tired of chilly drafts or dust sneaking under your door? Meet this under-door draft stopper. Your simple fix for comfort and quiet. It seals gaps perfectly, keeping rooms warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Plus, it blocks noise and bugs too. Practical, sleek, and easy to install. Small tool, big comfort. Running made smarter. This slim running waist belt keeps your phone, keys, and cash secure without slowing you down. Its stretchable, sweat-proof design fits comfortably under clothes, so you can move freely whether you're jogging, cycling, or hiking. Lightweight yet durable, it's your perfect fitness companion for hands-free freedom and hassle-free runs. Who said chopping can't be fun? This Crinkle Wavy chopper turns boring veggies into fancy, restaurant-style cuts in seconds. Perfect for fries, chips, or salads. Its sharp stainless steel blade makes slicing effortless while adding that irresistible wavy texture. Make every meal look gourmet with zero effort. Say goodbye to touching dirty lids. This smart motion sensor trash can opens automatically with just a wave of your hand, keeping things ultra-hygienic and hassle-free. Its sleek design fits perfectly in any modern home, and the quiet auto-close feature seals odors instantly, clean, classy, and completely touch-free. It's trash disposal reinvented. Blast away dirt and grime like a pro. This electric high-pressure washer delivers powerful cleaning for cars, patios, walls, and more, making everything look brand new in seconds. With its strong jet power and portable design, cleaning becomes fast, effortless, and even satisfying to watch. Running out of space? This bamboo vertical shoe rack is the perfect fix. Its slim, space-saving design neatly organizes your footwear while adding a natural, elegant touch to any corner. Compact, stylish, and sturdy, its organization made beautiful. Say hello to comfort on the go. This portable collapsible stool folds flat in seconds yet supports impressive weight with ease. Whether you're camping, waiting in line, or cooking in the kitchen, it's always there when you need a quick seat. Lightweight, adjustable, and surprisingly sturdy, this stool proves that convenience can be compact. Keep your sink clean and clog-free with this smart kitchen sink strainer. Designed with precision holes, it traps food scraps while letting water flow smoothly. No more messy blockages or foul smells. Its durable stainless steel body is rust-proof, easy to clean, and fits perfectly in most sinks. A small tool that makes a huge difference in your kitchen routine. Simple, sleek, and super effective. Maximize your space with these 360 degrees rotating folding hooks. Stick them anywhere, kitchen, bathroom, or behind doors, and instantly organize your essentials. Their strong adhesive grip holds firm, while the foldable and rotatable design adds a modern, clutter-free touch. No drilling, no hassle, just pure convenience and smart storage at your fingertips. Breakfast just got smarter with this rotating cereal dispenser. With its 360 degrees rotating base, you can easily grab your favorite cereal, nuts, or snacks in seconds. The airtight containers keep everything fresh and crunchy, while the sleek design adds a modern touch to your kitchen. One twist, and your mornings are instantly more organized and fun. Love dumplings but hate the mess? This stainless steel dumpling maker press makes it effortless. Just fill, fold, and press. Perfect dumplings every single time. Durable, sleek, and super easy to clean. It's your shortcut to pro-level homemade delights. Meet the portable mini USB washing machine, your travel and small space laundry hero. Just drop it in a bucket, plug it in, and watch it spin away dirt with powerful ultrasonic cleaning. Perfect for socks, underwear, and baby clothes. Compact, energy-saving, and surprisingly efficient. This tiny washer proves that good things really do come in small packages. Who says luxury baths are only for big bathrooms? This inflatable bathtub turns any corner of your home into a relaxing spa. Easy to set up, comfy to sit in, and perfect for a warm soak after a long day. Its foldable, portable design makes it ideal for apartments, travel, or even outdoor fun. Relax, recharge, repeat. Fitness goals just got smarter with this retractable body measuring tape. Whether you're tracking progress, tailoring clothes, or just curious about your body changes, this tape makes it effortless. The push-button retraction and locking mechanism ensure perfect accuracy every time. Compact, durable, and super easy to use, it's a must-have for fitness lovers, tailors, or anyone chasing precision. Turn your boring breakfast into something adorable with this egg mold shaper. Whether you want heart-shaped eggs, stars, or flowers, this gadget adds fun and creativity to your plate. Made from non-stick, heat-resistant material, it's super easy to use and clean. Perfect for kids, parties, or anyone who loves a touch of art in their food, because breakfast should never be boring. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and greasy messes with this multi-purpose foam cleaning spray. Just spray, wipe, and watch the dirt melt away. No scrubbing needed. It works like magic on kitchen counters, car interiors, bathrooms, and even upholstery. Its deep cleaning foam formula lifts grime in seconds, leaving everything sparkling fresh and spotless. One spray, endless shine. Tired of rough towels that damage your hair? This microfiber hair drying towel is your new hair care hero. It absorbs water super fast, reduces frizz, and keeps your hair smooth and shiny. Just wrap, twist, and relax. It stays in place without slipping. Quick dry comfort that saves time and protects your strands. Healthy cooking made simple. This stainless steel foldable steamer basket lets you steam veggies, dumplings, or seafood perfectly without losing nutrients. Its expandable design fits almost any pot, and when done, it folds flat for easy storage. Durable, rust-resistant, and effortless to use. It's the smart chef's secret weapon. Say goodbye to messy wires and complicated setups. This wireless doorbell gives your home a modern upgrade with easy plug-and-play installation. Choose from multiple chimes and adjustable volume levels to suit your mood. With a long transmission range and sleek design, you'll never miss a visitor again. Style meets convenience. Lazy mornings just got smarter. This self-stirring mug mixes your coffee, tea, or protein shake with just a press of a button. No spoon needed. Its leak-proof lid keeps your drink warm while the built-in motor ensures a perfect blend every time. Ideal for busy mornings, travel, or the office. Sip smart, stir less. Turn your regular faucet into a smart, flexible one. This water tap extender bends and rotates 360 degrees, letting you easily rinse vegetables, dishes, or even your sink corners. It saves water, reduces splash, and adds pure convenience to your kitchen routine. Smart, simple, and super handy. Transform your bathroom into a clutter-free zone with this wall-mounted toothpaste dispenser set. It automatically dispenses just the right amount of paste, keeping things clean and mess-free. With slots for toothbrushes and magnetic cups, it's all-in-one convenience for your daily routine. Stylish, hygienic, and oh so satisfying to use. Say goodbye to guesswork in your kitchen. This digital weighing spoon gives you precise measurements for spices, powders, and liquids, all at the touch of a button. Whether you're meal prepping, baking, or tracking calories, this smart spoon ensures perfect portions every time. Compact, accurate, and a total chef's favorite. Turn ordinary fruits into edible art with this fruit carving tool set. From fancy melon flowers to cute apple designs, it lets you create restaurant-style fruit displays right at home. Perfect for parties, desserts, or just adding fun to your meals, because your creativity deserves a delicious canvas. Say goodbye to dust and tight spots with this car cleaning gel. It slides into every corner, air vents, buttons, and cup holders, picking up dirt like magic. Super satisfying to use and reusable too. Keep your car spotless and fresh with this oddly fun, jelly-like cleaning hack. Running out of closet space? This space-saving pants hanger is your wardrobe's secret weapon. With its multi-layer foldable design, you can hang multiple trousers neatly in one go. No more messy piles or wrinkles, just a perfectly organized closet that looks straight out of a lifestyle ad. Let's wrap up with something every home needs. This self-adhesive mop and broom holder. Strong, durable, and super easy to install. It keeps all your cleaning tools neatly in place without drilling or mess. Whether it's your kitchen, bathroom, or balcony, this holder transforms cluttered corners into tidy, organized spaces. A small gadget with a big impact on how clean and aesthetic your home feels. And that's a wrap for today's gadget lineup. Which one of these blew your mind the most? Tell me in the comments below. I'm reading them all. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome finds, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next gadget drop. Until next time, stay smart, stay curious, and keep discovering amazing things.